Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
I'm Aisha.
And I'm Acsa.
And today is another camping video.
Yes. We are going to camp,
obviously. But this time it's an amusement park camp.
Yeah, so we're going to be there for 3 nights and 4 days.
Which is longer than the other one.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to show you our
trip.
We are just now entering the place. We're sleeping. We did go to the store. We didn't record in there. But now we are arriving here.
So we have arrived to our destination, the place where we're going to camp.
And look at the rides in the back. We are going to unpack everything and we're going to eat because we are all very hungry.
We didn't eat breakfast, so
no. It's like 1 o'clock, so
I think so, yeah.
And
we'll see you guys when we're done. So as you have seen, we have just made our tent.
We finished it.
Different than the other one.
We're gonna put up the
mattresses.
Yes, and then we'll show you guys like a tour of our whole tent camping thing.
Our whole camping area.
Yeah. So right now we're gonna put up the air mattresses and we'll show you guys that. So.
Hey guys, so we are now inflating the mattresses. She's doing a great job. Last one.
Okay guys, so now it's 5:30. We set up our tent right there, and me and my brother here are walking down to is this one, and then it goes around. Me and my brother got on that, and we're not sure which one we're gonna get on next because most of them are closed. So yeah. Oh my god, that drop was like intense. I was scared for a second.
I couldn't scream.
I looked.
So that's the right way to go.
Yeah. When you're looking at it like this, but when you're up there, oh my gosh, we could see where we were camping.
The good thing is that we didn't.
We ready? Yeah, we didn't. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's not that scary.
And then it goes backwards. It's the same thing but backwards. I don't think the backwards part is bad. I think the other part is. I don't So yeah, we'll see which other one we're gonna get on. Guys, whoa, we just got on this one above us. And that one was fun. I like that one. It's called the Tantrum. I'll show you guys how it looks. Look, it's straight. Wait, I'll show you guys.
It looks like it's really bad, but it's really not.
Okay guys, now we're in line to get on this one. Rolling Thunder. So right now we're on a ride, guys, and hello. So yeah guys, it's gonna be a fun ride with my sister.
Welcome to the skyscraper. Please for your safety, make sure you sit up and you forward at all times. Please secure all those items, take back there, and the keys are responsible for any item lost, stolen, or damaged. Thank you and enjoy your ride on the skyscraper.
Woo!
All clear.
Uh-oh. Whoa! We're going up high, guys. Woo! Oh my god, it's so hot.
Get the wait, can we get outside?
There's any venom. Oh, that's a con. Just coming from the park thingy. We got on that, by the way. And yeah, we're coming back to the camp thing because we're tired. It's much later, it's like 7. So we left at what time?
We left like at 5:50.
Yeah, which it was like only 2 hours. No, we got on like 5 rides, guys, because the lines are long.
Yes.
And it took like 20 minutes. That like really hurt down this. That's ours. So bright. So guys, since we were already here, we played Uno.
Now we're done.
So guys, you can't really see me, but me and my brother here, you can't see him. But we're walking to over there. Okay, there you can see us. So we're walking to the rides because we want to go on the rides in the dark. So yeah, it's gonna be
They
like,
look cool.
yeah, and I feel like it'll be less scary because you can't see. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Acsa didn't want to come again. She said she'll come tomorrow. So she'll come tomorrow. So we'll see you guys when we get there or something. Yeah.
Anything last, so your name is Jordan. Enjoy it, you can enjoy it, right? All clear.
So now we're on this one, guys. The same one we were on earlier, except it's at night and it looks so cool. Look at it. Oh my god. That felt so good. It's like such a good win. You liked it?
Oh, honestly. Oh, it's freezing now.
Okay guys, so we just got out of that. And like, they closed this place in like 25 minutes. But like, we're camping, so we're camping, so obviously it's not gonna affect us. Oh yes, we're gonna get on this one. These are like cars, you drive them, So guys, we just got finished driving the car.
They close at 9:30, guys.
And it's, what time is it?
It is, right now, it is 9:18.
9:18. So we have a little bit of time. But like, most of the rides are closed, so
It's like empty. And the ride like closed.
So guys, we're on a ride right now. My brother, you can't see him. It's too dark.